Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlists in my channel for each and every class. So check my description box of this video and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 3, Chapter 12, जब मुझको सांप ने काटा, When a snake bit me. एक दिन मैंने अपने आहते में एक छोटा सा सांप रेंगते देखा. One day I saw a small snake crawling in my courtyard. वह धीरे धीरे रेंग रहा था. It was crawling very slowly. मुझको देखते ही वह भागा. Seeing me, it ran. और वहीं पर पड़े हुए नारियल के एक खोल में घुसकर छिप गया. And seeing the boy, the snake hid inside a coconut shell. मैंने पत्थर का एक टुकड़ा उठाया. I took a piece of a stone और उससे नारियल के खोल का मुंह बंद कर दिया. And I closed the coconut's mouth with that so that the snake couldn't come out. As shown in the picture. उसे लेकर मैं नानी के पास दौड़ गया. Taking that, I ran towards his grandma. मैंने कहा, नानी, देखो, मैंने सांप पकड़ा है. I said, Grandma, see, I have caught a snake. नानी चीख उठी, सांप? Grandma screamed, snake? वह इतना घबरा गई कि लगी ज़ोर ज़ोर से चीखने पुकारने. She got very scared that she started screaming and calling out. चीखने means screaming, shouting. पुकारने means calling out for someone. नाना ने सुना तो अंदर दौड़ आए. When his grandpa heard the scream of his grandma, he came inside. जब उन्हें पता चला कि नारियल के खोल के अंदर सांप है, तो उन्होंने मेरे हाथ से उसे छीनकर दूर फेंक दिया. When my grandpa got to know that there is a snake inside the coconut, he grabbed the coconut from my hand and threw it away. नन्हा सांप बाहर निकल गया. The small snake came outside. और रेंगता हुआ पास की झाड़ी में गायब हो गया. And crawling, he went to the the snake went to the nearby grass and vanished from there. नाना ने मुझसे कहा, खबरदार, फिर कभी सांप के पास मत जाना. Nana, that is grandpa, said to me, beware. You should never go near snake anytime. सांप बहुत खतरनाक होता है. Snake is very dangerous. खतरनाक means dangerous. खबरदार means beware. I dare you. उसी दिन शाम को मैं एक बर को पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था. The same day in the evening, I was trying to catch a wasp. Bar means wasp, an insect. पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था. I was trying to catch a wasp. कि उसने काट खाया. But it stinged him. बड़ी जोर से दर्द उठा. It was paining a lot. मुझे दर्द से कराहते देखकर नानी ने सोचा कि मुझे सांप ने काट लिया है। Seeing me crying in pain, my grandma thought that I have bit by a snake. मैंने दौड़कर नानी को उंगली दिखाई। I ran towards my grandma and showed her my finger. उन्होंने जल्दी से नाना को पुकारा। She immediately called grandpa. नाना तुरंत दौड़ आए। Grandpa came quickly running towards them. और मेरी उंगली को देखा and he saw my finger. जहाँ बर ने काटा था वहाँ नीला निशान पड़ गया था। Where the wasp had bit him, that is stinged him, that part has turned into blue color. वह चट मुझे गोद में उठाकर बाहर भागे। He immediately took the boy in his lap and he started running outside. बाग और धान के खेतों को पार करके भागते भागते वे अपने घर से दूर एक छोटी सी झोपड़ी के सामने जाकर रुके। He crossed the field. He crossed fields and running he came to a small hut. A small छोटी सी झोपड़ी means small hut far away from his house, and he stopped near a छोटी सी झोपड़ी, a small hut. वहाँ पहुँचते ही उन्होंने आवाज़ लगाई। Reaching there, he called. आवाज़ लगाई means he called for help. एक बूढ़ा आदमी बाहर निकला। An old man came outside. वह सांप के काटने का मंत्र जानता था। He knew a spell in order to heal the snake's bite. नाना ने उससे कहा, नाना said to him, इस बच्चे को सांप ने काट लिया है। This kid is being bitten by a snake. इसकी झाड़ फूक कर दो। Please treat him. Treat him like the people use this jhad fook is like superstitions, like with neem leaves and all they do in temples and like black magic and all, more like that. बूढ़ा मुझे झोपड़ी में ले गया. That old man took the kid, that is me, as he is narrating the story. बूढ़ा मुझे झोपड़ी में ले गया. The old man took me into his hut. उसने मेरी उंगली देखी और बोला, Seeing my fingers, he said, चुपचाप बैठो. Don't say anything. Be quiet. हिलना ढुलना मत. Don't shake. यो. फिर पीतल के हिलना ढुलना मत means don't move. फिर पीतल के बर्तन में पानी लाया और मेरे सामने बैठकर मंत्र पढ़ने लगा. Then he brought water in a copper vessel और मेरे सामने बैठकर मंत्र पढ़ने लगा. And he sat in front of me and started doing his spell. मैं चाहता तो बहुत था कि उस बूढ़े को बता दूं कि मुझे सांप ने नहीं बर ने काटा है. I wanted to tell the old man that the snake didn't bite me. I have been bitten by a wasp. पर मेरे नाना मुझे कसकर पकड़े रहे और मुझे बोलने ही नहीं दिया. But my grandpa holded me very tightly and he didn't let me to say anything. जैसे ही मैं कुछ कहने को मुंह खोलता वह डांट कर कहते. Whenever I try to open my mouth to say something, he will start scolding me and he'll say, चुप, shut up. डर के मारे मैं चुप हो जाता. Because of the fear, I'll shut my mouth. हमारे पीछे पीछे हमारी नानी भी कई लोगों के साथ वहाँ आ पहुँची. Following us, our grandma also came to the same place with so many other people. सब लोग उदास खड़े देखते रहे. Everybody started looking at them very sadly. तब तक मेरी उंगली का दर्द जा चुका था. So now the pain in the fingers had gone. फिर भी मुझे वहाँ ज़बरदस्ती बैठकर झाड़ू फूँक करवानी पड़ रही थी. Still, I had to sit there forcefully and do all the झाड़ू फूँक, that is the rituals. कुछ मिनट बाद बूढ़ा आदमी उठा. After some time, the old man got up. उसने उसी बर्तन के पानी में मेरी उंगली धोई. उसने उसी बर्तन के पानी से मेरी उंगली धोई. He washed my finger with the same water he kept at the beginning of the ritual. और मुझे पिलाया भी. And he also made me drink it. उसने मुझे बोलने से मना कर दिया ताकि दवा का पूरा असर हो. He didn't allow me to speak at all, so that he asked me not to talk at all, so that the effect of the medicine will be there. फिर वह नाना से बोला. Then he said to my grandpa, अब बच्चा खतरे से बाहर है. Now the kid is out of danger. अच्छा हुआ आप समय रहते मेरे पास ले आए. It's good that you brought him immediately to me. बड़े जहरीले सांप ने काटा था. He was bit by very poisonous snake. सब लोगों ने बूढ़े को उसके अद्भुत इलाज के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद किया. Everybody thanked that old man for his treatment. That is his adbhut means his unbelievable treatment. घर लौटने के बाद नाना ने उसके लिए बहुत सी चीज़ें भेंट में भेजी. When they returned to their home, after that his grandpa sent him many gifts to that person because he treated his grandson. Okay, so that's all about this chapter. A boy was really bit by a wasp, but because of the superstitions, the grandpa took him to an old man and he performed some rituals and he said some spells, and he said that now the snake's poison has came out of the boy's body and he is out of danger. And all the people who were present there believed it and they thanked him. Okay, so that's all about the chapter. Hope you understood. This chapter is written by Shankar. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.